Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can turn off the jump scare toggle on Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to select teleport here, and I'm just going to go to the quest lobby. It will show up as soon as you are in the lobby here. So you can either click this section or you can go to settings. It says hi jump scares, yes or no. If you want the jump scares, select no, obviously, and if you don't want the jump scares, select yes. And what that means is that when the monster gets you, there won't be like the kind of like jump scare you'll see. But that's pretty much it, really. Should I show you guys? I feel like it's gonna take a while to show you, but let's see. So do this before you actually enter the chapter because you won't be able to see the settings button. So you'll have to do it before you're actually in the game. You know what? I'll just stop here because this can take so long to go to the island. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. And also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.